Hello friends, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video, I share with you some small cottage kitchen decoration ideas. Let's see the video. A small cottage kitchen decor is all about creating a cozy, charming, and functional kitchen space that feels warm, welcoming, and a little nostalgic, even if the kitchen is small. It usually combines rustic, vintage, and country style elements while keeping things practical and space efficient. Here's a detailed breakdown. Color palette: soft and light colors, whites, creams, pastel blues, soft greens, or pale yellow. Light colors make small kitchens feel bigger and brighter. Accent colors: use gentle pops of colors in accessories like tea towels, crockery, or small appliances. Furniture and layout: compact and vintage style cabinets, wooden cabinets with distressed or painted finishes. Open shelving: instead of bulky upper cabinets, use open shelves to display pretty dishes, mugs, or jars. Multi-purpose furniture: foldable tables, small islands, or wall-mounted corners save space. Antique touches: old-fashioned wooden chairs or a small farmhouse table give a cottage feel. Materials and textures: natural wood, light or painted wood for cabinets, counters, or shelves. Stone or tile: matcha block countertops, ceramic tile backsplash, or stone sinks. Textiles: gingham or floral pattern curtains, tea towels, and cushions add softness. Wicker or baskets: perfect for storage while keeping a rustic, homey feel. Decor and accessories: vintage kitchenware, old style jars, enamelware, cast iron pots, and copper pans. Decorative items: small potted herbs, fresh flowers, or vintage sinks. Functional but pretty: hooks for utensils, hanging mugs, or spice racks that double as decor. Lighting: natural light, maximize windows. Small kitchens will bigger with sunlight. Charming features: pendant lights, lantern style lights, or vintage inspired sconces. Space saving tips: use wall mounted racks for pots, pans, and utensils, and small baskets for fruit or vegetables. Keep countertops minimal, but display a few charming items like a vintage teapot or vase. Play with patterns. Use gingham, floral, or tile fabrics for curtains, chair cushions, or tablecloths. Pattern tiles on the backsplash can add personality without overwhelming the space. Vintage and rustic accessories: antique jars, enamelware, or old mason jars for storage. Display copper pans, wooden spoons, or vintage teapots as decoration. They are functional too. Cozy touches, rugs or mats, small oven rugs or runner rugs add warmth and comfort. Soft lighting, consider warm LED bulbs or fairy lights to make it cozy. Open storage, open shelves let you display pretty dishes, glassware, or cookbooks. Books and racks on walls or ceilings for past pans or utensils save space and look rustic. Thank you so much for watching this video.